We are fascinated by flying birds. Birds are unique. They are the only creature in the world with wings covered with feathers. With their wings, they can take off, fly with twists, turn, soar, dive, and land on a perch. Scientists believe that birds evolved from reptiles. Birds have been flying for thousands of years. Everything about a bird is uniquely designed for flight. They have lightweight bones. They have wings that are covered with feathers. Their heart beats faster. Their digestive system works faster, and their breathing is also faster. Birds have light feathers and light bones. The avian skeleton is hard and thin. Birds, in fact, have less bones than most animals. The reason for lightness is that many bones in a bird skeleton are hollow with air sacs.